Hi, I am Jesper Hatt. I'm a private practitioner from Denmark. Today we're going to demonstrate how we use the KaVo SONICflex tips in our practice. Please take a look. I hope you enjoy it. Here I will show you how to use the SONICflex microtip to remove freestanding enamel prisms and clean the dentin margin to obtain ideal conditions for bonding with immediate dentin sealing. You will notice the tip has a working side with a fine gridded diamond coating and a non-working side without diamonds. Using the SONICflex microtip will give you an ideal surface for any bonding procedure, ensuring better longevity of your restorations. This enables us to work in direct contact with adjacent teeth without damaging their surfaces. The instrument will not tear your rubber dam and can be used after you place a matrix band in cases with bleeding. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. For more info about the KaVo SONICflex tips, please go to the website kavo.com. Have a nice day.